Question 2 says, for which of the equilibrium systems below will the amount of product increase if you increase the volume? All right, so we're going to increase the volume. That's like we talked about at the beginning of question 1. By taking the volume and increasing it, right, it's going to make the pressure go down. What does a system try to do? Well, if the pressure is going to go down, it's going to try to make the pressure go up. And what do we want? We want an increase in the amount of products. So we want to know if we increase the volume and therefore decrease the pressure, which one, if we try to then increase the pressure, is going to make the products go up? Well, that's going to be your first one here, this guy here. Because if I ignore the rest of these guys for just a second, if I ignore those for just a second, if I increase the volume of this guy, that decreases the pressure. And then how is it going to try to get that pressure back? It's going to try to get that pressure back by going to the side that has more gas on it, which is this side over here, because I got one gas and then two gases over here. So A is our correct answer here because there's more gases on the right-hand side. Now let's just, for completeness' sake, check out the rest of these guys. If you increase the volume for number 2 here, it's actually going to send it to the left-hand side because there's 3 gases here. 2 and 1 is 3 versus 2. So that's no good for that guy. This guy here, it's actually going to send it to the left-hand side because there's 2 gases over here. Solids don't count. And there's only 1 gas over here. So sending it by increasing the volume, you're going to decrease the pressure. So the system is going to try to make that pressure back. How does this system make the pressure back? It goes to the left, and that's not what I want. I want the product to increase. And then our last one here is I have 2 gases on the left. I have 2 gases on the right. So changing the volume is not going to do diddly on this guy because it's 2 and 2 over here. So our first answer here is the correct one because by increasing the volume, I'm decreasing the pressure. The system is going to try to make more pressure. How does the system make more pressure? It goes to the side that has the more moles of gas on it. And in this case, this is the only one that shifts it to the product side,